are trying to go out this motorcycle right now. We are over here in San Miguel De Allende, over here in Guanajuato. We're doing an ATV ride. Take you guys along with us.
And I'm trying not to crash.
First time driving an ATV?
First time driving an ATV. How am I doing for the first 5 minutes?
It's okay, guys. It's okay. A little herky-jerky, but hey, we're surviving right now.
I'll get better. Don't worry. We got 2 hours to go. I got time to practice, guys.
We're over here in San Miguel De Allende, Guanajuato.
That's right, guys. If you haven't already, have already seen our San Miguel video, check it out, guys, because we already explored the city center. So now it's all about ATVs, and later on we'll see what else we can get into. We like to do spontaneous things, guys. So this was completely spontaneous. We decided to go ahead and go for it. So let's go ahead and enjoy it together, guys.
Yep.
And who had to sign their name? If anybody's responsible for anything that happens with the ATVs,
she signed her name.
For us and our friends.
But individually, we're gonna be responsible. I will make them responsible. When they watch this, they know what we're talking about.
Hey, Johnny Tex. Hey, look. Hey.
All right, guys. I'll get back with you. We're over here just enjoying ourselves over here in Guanajuato. This is things you can do in Mexico, guys. Things you can do in Mexico.
Where are we supposed to be going? He told us.
I don't have no idea. We're going to the first historical spot, and then we're going to go around the lake
and see other areas.
And other places if we have time.
If we have time, exactly.
Green light, guys. Let's go.
Let's rock and roll.
Guys, we pulled over to a superstar house, a celebrity, right here. Who is it, baby?
Enrique Iglesias' house.
Enrique Iglesias
house, yeah.
Yeah. It's a cool house.
He says, bailamos, let the rhythm take you over, bailamos, te quiero. That's that song.
Hey guys, as you've been going along with us, we've been riding all over the place. My wife been driving crazy, but this is her first time driving. She's doing pretty good. And we arrived at the first church in Guanajuato right here. I think it's like 1,500 years old. I think that's what he was saying. Then we sit out here. It's beautiful landscaping out here, guys. Crazy.
This, did you already mention?
I mentioned it was like 1,500 years old.
1,542 years old. 1542, ¿no?
Sí,
¿Cómo te llamas?
César.
César.
The year 1542.
Este es César, and he is YouTube. He is from ATV Extreme. So guys, if you guys want to do ATV tours, come check out César. Come check out ATV Extreme in San Miguel De Allende.
Yeah. Wow.
It's closed. And the maximum amount of people.
It was 1542, right? 1542. That's when it was here. 1542.
¿Cuántos años tiene? Años, ¿no?
Es data de 1542.
Oh, that's the date.
Okay.
Okay, and then he said that only 8 people are able to get in here at one time, and it's not open now.
Yeah.
Oh, this is incredible.
It's incredible, guys. Cool.
And we have this. We showed this
Free.
in Santiago de Querétaro, the same statue. When he went and he discovered all of the California,
Santa Barbara, San Diego, yeah. We're in Baja California area.
¿No gente vive cerca de aquí?
Sí, hay una comunidad de San Miguel De Allende que se llama San Miguel El Viejo.
The lime tree right there. Oh, that's amazing. All right, guys, we're gonna keep riding around and we'll get back with you when we make another stop somewhere.
We switch sides now.
Yeah, switching sides. Turn it towards me a little bit. Switch sides, so we just driving by Enrique Iglesias' house again. Gotta catch up now.
Let's go.
Mexico, guys. Well, I can't say only in Mexico. You're over here in San Miguel De Allende, Guanajuato, you just see anything going on over here.
Yeah. In Italy, it's like this too. You just drive around and you see all kinds of stuff. Sheep and cows. It's beautiful. Love it.
Watch out for these bullhorns right here.
Ah! Oh, he's coming close, babe. Oh, hello, guy. Buenas tardes. I touched it. I touched it.
Like the side of San Miguel right here.
This is the side we wanted to see.
We wanted to see.
Yeah. Gorgeous. Love it. It's a bumpy ride, guys. No, it's not. It's the bigger ones. All right. Hanging on, husband. I'm hanging on. Holy cow.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like.
Thumbs up.
enjoyable things. Like we said so many times in our videos, we're residents here. For those of you who are new to our channel, I know a lot of you guys have been with us from day one. We love you guys. We appreciate you guys. You've been with us from the ground up. And for those of you who don't know, we live in Santiago de Querétaro, Mexico, Mexico. We've been living here for a year in Querétaro, and we have a plethora of information, we've said before, on how to get your temporary residency here, 2-part videos. We do neighborhood tours. We have services for you guys. We check out, we scout Airbnbs, hotels, areas. You have to email our business email. Every request is unique. We'll discuss the details with you there. But guys, check out the rest of our videos. A lot of information and a lot of enjoyment.
Let's ride! Let's ride! Amazing, guys. We made it up here to the top of a hill in the middle of Guanajuato over here by San Miguel De Allende, and it's just beautiful views. Came up here, see this cross, but it's nice. It's very beautiful. You guys can hear me. Look like I lost my wind buffer.
Sí, exacto. Sí.
Beautiful.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Sí. Le llamamos aquí el mirador natural.
Mirador natural. It's called, I guess, the natural look point or natural overlook.
Mm-hmm. All right, beautiful, guys. Back with you.
Eres causa de todo mi llanto, de mi desencanto y desesperación. Solo tu sombra fatal, sombra del mar.
Alright guys, we finally made it back over here to our beautiful home in Santiago de Querétaro. We stopped by, grabbed a quick cafe, coffee, enjoying it, nice cheesecake and all the works. So.
And guys, I would show you my cheesecake, but I can't because I'm literally like halfway done with it. We've been sharing and picking at it. So check the community tab of our channel for the photos we've begun posting. Sorry guys, they're making coffee in the background. We hope you enjoyed this short and spontaneous video of us riding ATVs, guys. And if you want to know the pricing, we'll put it below. It was 1,750 pesos per ATV, and you can fit 2 people on an ATV. Honestly, I told my husband I had a really great time. I felt like I had an early birthday present. For me, I love experiences, and it was really enjoyable to get out there and drive that ATV. And then eventually, of course, we switched up a little bit and had him driving a bit. So we hope you enjoyed it, guys. And stay tuned for more videos to come. All right, guys, we'll end it as we always do. Live the life you were meant to live. Keep a grateful heart and ignore the background noise. And remember,
Why not now? All right, guys. Peace.
Siendo una herida en mi corazón. Tú solo tú. Eres causa de todo mi llanto, de mi desencanto y desesperación. Solo tu sombra fatal, sombra del mar, me sigue por donde quiera con obstinación y por quererte